Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to add a password in Google Password Manager. Open Google Chrome browser on your computer. Click on the three dot icon located at the top right corner of the page. Go to Settings. In the left sidebar, click on Autofill and Passwords. On this page, click on Google Password Manager. In the password section, click on the Add button. A dialog box pops up. Enter the name of the website in the first field. Now enter your username. Enter your password. Click Save. As you can see, your login details are now stored in the Google Password Manager. Next time, when you visit the website, you can automatically log into the website using these credentials. This is how you can add a password in Google Password Manager. Thank you for watching.